How's it going, everyone? So today we're going to be talking about mass airflow sensors. A mass airflow sensor, or the MAF, is a very common question on the channel. And I've done videos on this. It's been a couple years ago, almost 2 years ago. We've been doing videos for about 2 years now. Not quite 2 years. And this is a very commonly asked question. So we're going to talk a little bit about this in today's video. Okay. So the most common mistake people make, they try to clean their mass airflow sensor. Now, if it's the old style that has a little trap door, so pre-1996, you could actually clean those. Those will actually, they'll actually have an effect, right? That little door gets stuck, whatever. Anything 1996 and newer, there's no cleaning it. Unless there's physically something stuck in it, which there's not gonna be. Cleaning it will do nothing. So all your codes, your P0, 101, 102, all your hot film air codes, hot wire, mass airflow, hot wire, hot film air codes, all that stuff, cleaning it will not help it. You have to literally throw the sensor away and go replace it with another one. Now, I went through this several times, and what I found is the Chinese stuff, usually they won't work. You might get lucky every once in a while. The Bosch mass airflow or the Siemens are very expensive. They're $100 to $200. Depends on what make, model of car you have. And your best bet, if you can't afford a new one, you could always go for a used one. If you get a used one cheap enough, even those are expensive. And then you always have the chance it's also not good. Okay, so here's a prime example. And excuse me, the shop's just a freaking train wreck. Hopefully by this evening we'll have a lot of this crap cleaned up. This thing is going out of here. There's no room for that at all. All the insulation's here for the ceiling. I'm gonna do that probably yet this evening. And I stained all the workbenches. All that looks good. Overhead bin. We're gonna build that a lot bigger. Anyway, all that aside, here is your average BMW mass airflow sensor. You have a screen on one side and this on the back side. And you can see inside there's one little, maybe you can see that. There's one little, like little circuit board. There you can see it right there. There's nothing to clean. I mean, there isn't. There's one little wire that goes over the top of that. There's nothing in there. So that is a non-serviceable sensor, as we like to call it. And just be aware a little bit too, companies like Parts Container on eBay, they are known for basically selling, they were known for selling fake parts. So it would say Siemens, or they would sell it as a Siemens and it would have like a sticker that said Siemens instead of being stamped in it. Or they would have made in China, all the serial numbers from that filed off of them with the Siemens sticker on it. You got to watch that a little bit. Luckily, with the way the internet is, eBay and Amazon, you get your money back if that's the case. They're really cracking down hardcore on fraudulent stuff like that. So that's it, guys. That's all for the mass airflow sensor fix. So the fix is to throw it away. So no more using mass airflow sensor cleaner or carb cleaner to clean them. That's all BS. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. We'll talk to you later.